Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we are driving, for example, Waze is navigating, and suddenly the screen goes completely dark. This is usually a feature designed to protect your eyes, but it can be dangerous when you need visual directions. So in today's small tutorial, we wanna go through how to fix the screen going dark while driving in Waze. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, we want to turn off auto brightness. On your phone, go to settings, display, and turn off auto brightness. Set your brightness manually to a level you can see clearly. This prevents the phone from dimming the screen in low light conditions. And also this option may be available in the auto Android system or whatsoever, so make sure you deactivate it as well. And also check the Waze's prevent auto lock setting. In Waze, all the way go through these settings, then all the way to general here. It makes sure prevent auto lock is turned on. This keeps the screen on while Waze is navigating. On Android, check the keep Waze in foreground is activated also, since on Android devices this settings keeps Waze active and prevents the screen from timing out. Find it in the Waze general settings or even in the Android settings. There is also this adaptive brightness on Android. It's a little bit different from iOS. So adaptive brightness can cause the screen to dim unexpectedly. Turn it off in your phone's display settings. Then restart your app. And that's really the main idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.